guys, today we are making a soup for lunch. So let's go ahead and grab these. And then boom. Oh no, my wiener. My sauce thing. Let's go grab my favorite knife. And then we can go put the bowl here.
I'm ready. I'm going.
And then we can go there. And then we can go ahead and grab some of these. Gonna grab some cucumber. Revenge. No! My cucumber. Let's go back up here. We'll forget about the cucumber. And now we can go ahead and wait for that to cook. That's nice and cooked. And then we can go like, and then we go, and then we can also do that again. I don't really like too much, so I'm just gonna. So now we can put the potato and the cucumber. So then we put the cucumber there. And then we can go over here. We can go grab a drink. So then we can also grab a few pieces of toast. To go on the side. And then we can go, those are nice and baked. And where's the knife? No, don't you. And then we can go ahead and grab this. Okay, we can go over here. Gonna chop all of these in. And then we can go grab the toast now. And then is there any butter? No. But then we can go over here, put some toast on. And then we can go, and then chop that up. So then we have some food. And then, just to give it a little bit of spice. Just to give it a bit of spice. Only a little. So this is the smallest. And then boom. Boom. And then we can go and wait. Need to stir it up. Let's stir it up. Mix, 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 mix. And then we can grab a couple of actually, I don't. Let me cook. Oh, there's a piece of toast. Okay. It's time to eat.
For me.
Give it a little bit of spice. And guys, you better like and subscribe now.
Yeah.
I'm gonna eat the spiciest piece of toast in the world. Oh, it's burning my tongue. Let's eat this. Let's get another piece. Look at this. Absolute bliss. Boom. Oh, time to eat the soup. Oh, that pepper was hot. If you want to see me make a soup for Granny, like and subscribe. Oh my god, I accidentally put her dentures there. Your dentures are there, Granny. Oh my